Hello all, my name is Kevin and welcome to Altitude Drone. Today I'm flying the Avata 360 in the forest. Don't know if that's the right thing to do, but we'll soon find out. Lens in the backpack ready. So I hope you enjoy this flight. See you on the other side. Okay, icon. Let's get home. First flight in the forest. You survived. My heart is beating a beat. Well, I hope you enjoyed that flight. Would I do some more with this drone? I think so. In the forest? Why not? I like a bit of risk. Okay, that's it for now. Hello all, my name is Kevin, and thank you for watching this latest edition with the DJI Avata 360, aka Icon. So this is my first flight in the forest. Had my spare lens already. I should set up a service with DJI if I'm gonna do flying in the forest. But I enjoyed it. My heart was beating a little bit, and would I do it again? Yeah, I'm crazy enough to do it. Why not? It's all about enjoying what you do. It's a great hobby. So, and I love flying these beautiful drones. So, without further ado, this is Kevin from Altitude Drone, over and out. And please like and subscribe for the next brilliant edition of drone flying in the forest. Okay then, I'm gone. Bye bye. See you soon.